Good day, hustlers. It's your boy, better yet, your man, Markel Prines, Mr. RVADelivered.com. And right now, I'm just working on something very special for you guys. Now, I have a question for you guys. Now, as I'm working here, I started thinking to myself, who are the people out there that I can actually help who want to really learn the necessary skills to earn an extra income from home? So here's the question. The question I have for you guys is this. Are you searching for a real way to make money from home? Do you want a side hustle that actually pays off? Well, I've got just the thing for you. Now, this company actually just did a relaunch a couple of days ago, and if you've been scrolling through my social media at any time, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. It's one of the #1 digital marketing, affiliate marketing platforms in the world today, and it actually teaches you real skills needed to build a successful business from home. Now, I just want to introduce you to this amazing company. So, allow me to introduce you to OLSP and the Megalink. Now, this is a revolutionary tool that I personally recommend for anyone serious about building a sustainable online business. Now, in my expert opinion, as you can see here, I've earned some commissions with this system, so I want to be able to show you guys how to do the same. So, as somebody who's navigated this complex world of online entrepreneurship, I understand the importance of having the right guidance and tools. That's why I stand behind this system. I'm created by, the world renowned, soon to be world renowned, Mr. Wayne Crow. So I just want you guys to pay attention to the information in the next videos that's to come, where we're going to take deeper dives into the system so you can see exactly what it takes to earn an income from home. And hopefully, if you see the testimonials here, you can be one of those people with your next testimonial of earning an income from home. Now, if you're interested once again in learning how to earn an income from home, and you're looking to start earning an income as soon as the next 24 to 48 hours, click the link in the description of this video, or there's a link in my bio, or you can hit me with the direct message so we can actually talk like how real people used to do back in the day when they were serious about doing a real business. So on that note, I'll see you guys on the other side.